Bueno, un día que está muy fuerte el azufre. La gente está tosiendo bastante porque está bien fuerte el azufre. Posiblemente una erupción pronta.
Is this where the lake is?
Yeah, it's only like 300 meters from
I
here.
can't see it because of the mist. The fog.
Yeah, this kind of fog, we just need some wind because there's a huge opening area on that side, and then it's like pushing all this fog and then opening the crater. But it's not that far. It was like clearing up a couple seconds ago, and we can see part of the valley there. And then if we can see that valley, then it could eventually clear up, and we could see the lagoon directly, like 300 meters away.
Okay.
Hopefully, it's coming.
Yes, it is.
Catherine,
It's starting to clear.
come. You see the lagoon there? That's the edge.
Ah, see.
The red spot.
Yes, you can.
And then you can see the valley and the lagoon. See? Clearing up now. Getting clear. You better come. Come and see it.
Come, it's clearing.
Volcanic is cutting.
Yes. Maybe an eruption.
Maybe.
Yeah.
50 minutes.
So normally you see like the crater, like a huge circle here. And then it will clear up for a few seconds and then foggy again.
So it looks like there are paths and trails, so people hike in there?
No, nobody's allowed to do it. That's the hike or the trail there is just because the volcanologists, they need to go and check in, so they go directly to the crater. And you can see some white pipes right there. Those are part of the instruments that they use to